Hi, I am Vanshi from Atlas Copco. So I have a customer story to tell you about. Mr. Rakesh, who works in a remote area and his operations work continuously without any interruption. But sometimes problems don't come with a warning. Some critical parts lose effectiveness with time. So Mr. Rakesh now is worried about this situation. So instead of waiting for a failure, Mr. Rakesh choose Atlas Copco service kits and genuine parts.
Atlas Copco's genuine filter and fluids are designed and tested to the same standards as the original equipment. Combined with Atlas Copco's wide range, high quality, genuine parts, your machine stays in top condition for the longer time. Genuine filter provides proper sealing and prevents the early wear, while genuine fluids protect the internal parts with their superior antioxidant properties and helps your compressor to run at its best. By using Atlas Copco's genuine filter, fluids and service kit, you protect your investment and avoid the performance issues and keep your machine operating at original factory specifications.
So Shreya, tell me, why are service kits so important in a planned maintenance strategy?
Service kit ensures the maintenance is complete and consistent. They include all the genuine parts which is required at a specific service intervals, eliminating the guesswork and the omissions.
So why is genuine compressor oil so important?
Genuine compressor oil is engineered for the specific compressor's operating conditions.
So how do genuine filter contribute to performance?
Genuine filter provides the correct balance between the filtration and the airflow and also ensures the proper protect the internal component without restricting the performance and provides the mechanical strength which will be increases the reliability.
So what risks come with using non-genuine parts?
There is a difference in the material quality and the safety, and also this will be increases the wear and possibility of the unplanned downtime.
So here we have our 1000-hour service kit and we have oil filters, air filters and oil separators in it. What benefits do our customers get?
There are many benefits: peace of mind, reliable performance, increasing the lifetime of compressor, safety, efficiency, lower the cost and trusted support.
So if you face same issues in your machine like Mr. Rakesh, so change your old machine with our new equipments, service kits and genuine parts with Atlas Copco and level up to the experience with Atlas Copco.